Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am trying out my mic today and a new lens because I know the audio has not been the best, so I apologize for that. So let me know what you think of today's video. But I am super excited because we are opening up brown paper packages. I realized when I was taking a thumbnail photo, my address is right there. We got a little helper today, Emmy. So before we get started and I tell you about the box and we open it, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and I open them pretty much every single day here at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you love them too, it make me so happy, so grateful if you subscribe. But I'm really just so happy you're here. Let me know how you guys are doing. But back to the box. So brown paper packages, one of the many reasons why I love it is bi-monthly, meaning you get it every other month. So not only do you save a little bit of money, but you actually have time to use your items. As a subscription box addict for a long time, I know firsthand how things can pile up. So you get to enjoy everything inside. It's a lifestyle subscription. I think I mentioned this. If not, it's from Canada. So for my Canadian friends, you guys can get this box, and obviously elsewhere, I'm in the US. And this box is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. So thank you, Hutch Sisters, who own and operate and send out brown paper packages. They do such a beautiful job curating each box. There's always a theme, and I think that's enough information. Of course, I will link them in the description. It's open. I did like break the seal or whatever, but I've not opened it. Oh my gosh, seriously, beautiful. It's always so cute. Is this edible? Yes. Oh my god, I thought this was just like a decorative rose, which I was like super cute, but I think this is chocolate. Madeleine Sweetheart Rose Solid Milk Chocolate. Hell yeah. Oh my god, love that. And it says February marches on, so there's like some little hearts here and shamrock, so it's bi-monthly like I said. So we have Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day. Emmy, that's your birthday. St. Patrick's Day's your birthday. You're gonna be 5. Your little Pisces baby. Happy Pisces season, by the way, that just started today. Who's my Pisces babies? I know babies. You're a Pisces. Anyone else? Anyways, this is what it looks like when I open it up. Jam-packed. So it always comes with a little handout here. So February marches on is the theme. And inside, it'll talk about everything that comes inside, and the pricing's in Canadian dollars, just FYI. And it gives a little description along with the pricing, and then it gives a sneak peek. So the April 1st box, or the boxes that start shipping in April, the theme is Purple Haze. And, oh my gosh, let me just show you again. Like, okay, every month, even the tissue paper goes with, I don't want to drop everything. I'm kind of further away. At least it looks like it because the lens I'm using, but also because I need my desk in front of me for the mic. But we have this cute little handbag here. I think it's, oh my god, I haven't checked yet, but I think this, look how tiny this is, but I think it turns into a tote bag. Let's see. Yeah, oh, so cool. It's so cute. It seems like it's something like leak proof, you know, like if you have something in here that leaks, that would be good for like traveling with makeup or whatever. I always tend to somehow spill things, like no matter what, but in my bag too, which isn't great. But there's a zipper on here and this little hatch, and you can make it all small or like this. That's awesome. Very unique, different stuff we get in these boxes. Emmy, do you like it? Ooh, this is beautiful. Is this a scarf? I want to like keep it, but I might give it to my mom. She loves this color. It's like a cardigan / scarf thing because there's a little button. I love this color, especially since I'm more gender, you know, now. I feel like even before, I love any color. I feel like anyone can wear any color any time of the year. I don't follow any of those rules. I've never been really one to follow rules very well, but this is so cute. I love this. I just had to turn off the air. It is 84 out. Someone's package got delivered to my place on accident, so I just walked it over there, and I was outside for like 2 minutes. I'm like sweating. I love the stuff we get from this company. Every single box, Gourmet Du Village. Last box was like Christmas type theme, and we had this eggnog. You have the option to add like the adult part, you know, like I think that one's called for rum, but I just had it like a mocktail, and it was so good. Oh my gosh. But this time we have hot chocolate with marshmallows. Cherry chocolate sundae. I had it like at nighttime. It was like my dessert. Oh my god, so good. So all you need is Boiling water or very hot milk and stir well. Nice. That sounds so good. Yum. I can't wait to try it. And then we have something wrapped up in here. It made a little bit of a noise. Maybe it's jewelry. But seriously, everything is wrapped up so cute. And look, it's like spring themed. Oh my God, you guys, for all you living in the colder climates, spring is approaching. I remember when I was in Chicago, February was always the longest month, I thought, even though it's the shortest, because you're just like sick of it, you know? Oh my God, look, there's even a little shamrock there. I'm an Irish girl, so I love Irish stuff, but this is so cute this spring. Oh my gosh. I didn't know what to expect. I think this is something you hang like a little, oh shit. I just had that wrong. Excuse my French. This is so cute. I got distracted and all excited about what I thought it was. But this is one of the earrings. There's an earring and necklace set. For a second I thought it was like wind chimes, which makes no sense. Probably because I heard the noise it was making. But there's like a little butterfly on it. And I love butterflies and I love. Here, let me try and show you this without dropping anything again. I love the colors. I love butterflies, transformation. Yes. It looks like it's made from some sort of shell, which is really cool and unique too. And totally, like we're transforming into different seasons. Sorry about that. I feel like I never really get that many messages, but when I'm filming, I do, so I seem like way more popular than I am. The next item, it's like sealed silk, cute flower. It's a journal? I always try and guess. So this is what the outside looks like. Yes, okay, it is. I was going to try and read the back, but I got a little bit impatient. So there's a line paper. I journal every single day, and I go through journals pretty quick, so the more the merrier. And this is really pretty too. I love it. This is by Lan French. So I don't think I said this part in this video, but all of the items come from Canadian distributors or Canadian artisans. Let's see what's in here. It's seriously like, I mean, every box to me is like Christmas because I always get so happy and excited, but since they wrap these all so well and so cute, it's like extra special, you know? What is this? It feels like it's like olive oil. I don't know why I thought that. It doesn't even look like an olive oil bottle. It does look like a drink, but oh my God, Happy Hippo, love the name of that. Bath Company, strawberries and cream, Epsom salt bubble baths. Nice. I'm not a huge bath person, but I use Epsom salts like as a body scrub and sometimes just as a foot soak. Smell it. Oh my God, it smells heavenly. Very spring-like too. It kind of makes me want to eat it. I think you can eat Epsom salts, but I wouldn't recommend it before looking into it or something. Like in these, I don't know. Yeah, don't listen to that. But someone tell me that they do that. Maybe the magnesium content in it. It has a bunch of other minerals too, but nice. It smells so good. Oh, and it makes bubbles too. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It says bubble bath. Epsom salt bubble bath. Duh. Yeah. Please don't eat this. I shouldn't have said that. Just it smells good enough to eat is my point. And then we have one more thing. And you guys, let me show you this tissue paper up close. It's so freaking cute. Someone's Mercari order or something's gonna be wrapped up in that. Oh, I still need to do the February giveaway. I need to find a platform to record entries. Oh my God, so cute. Is this hands? Oh, it's lotion? Stray Cat. Oh, cool. They have body products. And we always get something from Stray Cat Cosmetics. It's always been makeup, but now they have body care too. This is the chocolate hand and body moisturizing lotion. And this company is great. This Canadian company donates some of their profits to like animal shelters and animal organizations. And I love that. And their name is perfect for that, Stray Cat. So by purchasing stuff from this company, you help stray cats. So I love it. Let's take a sniff. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna want to eat this too. Kids, don't do that at home, please. Oh my God, that smells so good. Yes. I wonder if this will somehow, like, with the senses, like, trick me into thinking I ate chocolate, or will it make me eat more chocolate? I don't know, but that was everything, you guys. I thought that was great. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'm looking at everything. There's always so much stuff. Like, what's my favorite? I don't know. Right now I've got chocolate on the mind, on the brain, but let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys all for being here and watching. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed again, I hope you do so before you leave. And that means I will see you in the next one. Bye guys, I love you. Bye.